Before we talk about astronomy, we should know what is astronomy. Astronomy is the study of everything beyond our atmosphere, including stars, planets, galaxies, and other celestial objects. It's a science that seeks to understand the properties and behavior of this object through observation, experimentation, and analysis. Astronomy has a long history, with early civilization making observation of the night sky and developing myths and legends about celestial objects. In fact, astronomy may also be called the law or culture of the stars. The origin of the universe are the origin of everything. The Big Bang Theory states that the universe began as a hot and infinity dense point 13.7 billion years ago. This tiny singularity finally exploded. The radiation era was named for the dominance of radiation right after the Big Bang. This explosion led to the formation of stars, galaxies, and other celestial objects. Then, let's talk about the human eye capable of. The human eye is capable of seeing around 6,000 stars on a clear night, but the actual number varies depending on various factors such as light pollution and atmospheric conditions. The stars that are visible to the naked eye are actually relatively close to our solar system. Within a few hundred light years, the stars appear to move across the sky due to the rotation of the Earth. And this movement can be used to determine the time and location of various celestial events. The constellations are a group of stars that appear to be close together from our perspective on Earth, and they are useful for navigating the night sky and identifying different objects. The zodiac constellations are a specific group of constellations that lie along the path of the sun, moon, and planets as they move across the sky, and they are used in astrology to predict human characteristics and events. Let's talk about the solar system. The solar system is composed of the sun, 8 planets, dwarf planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects. The sun is a star that provides energy to the entire solar system. It makes up 99.8% of the total mass in the solar system. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They all revolve around the Sun in elliptical orbit. The inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are rocky and small, while the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are larger and made of gas and ice. The asteroid belt lies between Mars and Jupiter, and it is composed of thousands of small rocky bodies. Comets are icy objects that come from the outer regions of the solar system. When they approach the sun, they heat up and release gas and dust, forming a tail. Dwarf planets are smaller than planets but larger than asteroids. There are 5 recognized dwarf planets in the solar system: Ceres, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris. And then let's talk about Earth rotation. The Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours, causing the apparent motion of the Sun and stars across the sky. The Earth also orbits around the Sun once every 365.24 days, causing the seasonal change. The tilt of the Earth axis relative to its orbits around the Sun is responsibility for the changing angles of sunlight and the resulting seasons. The Moon orbits around the Earth once every 29.5 days, causing the phase of the Moon. Eclipses occur when the Sun, Earth, and Moon align in a straight line. A solar eclipse occurs when the Moon passes between the Sun and Earth, and a lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth passes between the Sun and Moon. That is a glimpse of astronomy. Astronomy is broader than that, wider than human knowledge. In conclusion, astronomy is a fascinating field that has been studied for thousands of years. From early civilization, making observation of the night sky and developing myths and legends about the celestial object to the modern day scientific research and exploration. Astronomy continues to capture the imagination of people around the world. Alright, that's all about introduction to astronomy. Thank you for watching and see ya.